Good morning, guys. Happy to be with y'all today. It's a first time for me. We're in Lake Havasu City, Arizona at the world famous London Bridge. Uh, who would have thunk? I had no idea until about a week ago that the London Bridge was actually in Arizona. But we're happy to be back in the States after a few, several weeks, abroad. First to Ecuador and then to Georgia. We had a great time, and now we're looking forward to getting some vlogging done back in the States. I'm happy to be getting back on the horse, as they say. But should be a good video. So let's get started. Check this place out. So some cool things that we found out about this place. These dragon statues that you'll see around the visitor center here, what they're doing is they're actually marking the city limits of London. On the front of it, it has the City of London coat of arms, the little crest. And when the founder of the city, Robert McCulloch, bought the bridge and everything, he ended up donating an acre of land to the City of London. So technically, this is the City of London that we're in right now. But they ended up leasing it back to the city to do the visitor center here for some kind of a trade agreement or something. I'm sure. I don't know about that part, but I thought it was pretty cool. We're actually in the City of London right now, and I didn't even have to go to England to get there. Super cute.
She's 7 weeks old. She was just like ting, 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 ting.
Wow,
And
tiny.
she looks like Presley when she was a baby. Look at her.
They're super cute. And of course, they brought the famous London red phone booths. Unfortunately, there's no phone service in them, but it makes a cool picture. So this bridge is actually not the London Bridge from all the nursery rhymes. That was actually a bridge, I think it was a wooden bridge back in the 1100s, something like that. There's been many, many London bridges over history. Some of the original ones were wood. The City of London was actually founded by the Roman Empire. Actually, the nursery rhyme one was a stone bridge, but over time it came down. The wooden ones, they came down over time. At one point in history, there was a king from Norway that came down and invaded England, and he was able to, I guess, tie ropes up and pull one of them over. Two other ones were destroyed in battles. That was a really turbulent time in England's history. This bridge here was actually in London from, I think, 1830 to around 1968, which was when they decided that they would rebuild it because what happened is, due to the bridge had started to sink over time, so they decided to, or the City of London decided to see if they could find anyone that might want to buy it. And the founder of the city of Lake Havasu, Mr. McCulloch, was able to buy it. He put a bid in on it. I think he bought it for like $2.4 million, and then they had it shipped, taken apart, numbered. They put it on a boat. They brought it all the way down through the Panama Canal to Long Beach, California, I believe, and then put it on trucks and brought it to Lake Havasu. they actually put the bridge together before there was water under it. You know, he developed the lake. He developed the city as well with another gentleman, Mr. Wood. I believe he was one of the original employees of like Disney World and kind of probably built Disney as well. So they designed the lake, they built the bridge, they then created the little channel and dredged it out from the Colorado River and made the lake actually divert under the bridge. But pretty cool. This bridge has actually been reinforced with steel, so it's a lot safer than the old bridges were. And of course, there's a new one that replaced it. But as of 2018, it's actually been here for 50 years now. This is the #2 tourist attraction in Arizona. Second to the Grand Canyon. And again, like I didn't even know about it, but it's very beautiful. It's still decorated for Christmas, and really glad we were finally able to get out and about for the new year and share this place with you guys. And of course, they're doing the, you know, bridge locks like they do everywhere. So another really cool story that I read was about the light poles, the light posts that go across the bridge as well. When Mr. McCulloch purchased the bridge, the light poles came with it also, and they are actually melted down cannons from the Battle of Waterloo, which I thought that was really cool. So there actually were seized, there were cannons that were seized from the French army by the English after they defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. So pretty cool piece of history that's made it all the way across the ocean here in Lake Havasu. Really?
Oh, he leaves and
Oh, he just like, oh.
Sits and waits.
yeah, and he sits up. There's a window looking out our driveway, and he sits there waiting for him.
Oh, I
What
love
are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? It is that kind of party now, brother.
You're the best.
So when you come to the lake, of course, you got to do all the lake stuff. They have plenty of boat rentals, or like I get jet ski rentals, and they probably do boat rentals too. They do like boating tours. That's what's back behind me. These couple of big boats you see back here. They also do bike rentals. They do the paddleboard rentals. A lot of cool things to do here. Definitely would recommend coming and checking out the visitor center here in the London Bridge. It's really cool. It's a good way to just kind of spend the afternoon. Down here at the bridge, they have a lot of different vendors and restaurants and things like that. So we think we're going to go check out the chair back behind us and grab something to eat. Hey babe, how's your Bloody Mary?
I haven't tried it yet. Have not tried it yet. But there's two things in life that I hate. One is ironing. Ate it. Second, these. So you can have those.
Thank you. I will eat them.
You're welcome. Ooh, there's asparagus in this. They said it's supposed to be a little spicy. I like spice, so. Oh, it's good. Okay, it's not good. It's really great.
first trip to London, you gotta have fish and chips. So I got fish and chips. It looks delicious. Let's give it a try. Yeah. It's really good. It's light. I'm not sure what kind of fish it is. It's not really super fishy, but yeah, really good. Chips, French fries. Yeah, they're good. They're breaded. They're seasoned. Pretty good. So yeah, I had my first fish and chips in London.
Babe, how's the sandwich?
Good. It's an Impossible Burger. I put mango salsa on it. Lettuce wrap. Good.
All right, so cool fun facts about the gate. Getting into the visitor center here, Mr. McCulloch actually bought it from Whaley Court in Westminster in England. Pretty cool. They were doing a remodel. The place has been remodeled over the years several times, and during one of those remodels, they were auctioning off, some things, and he decided to buy the gate and put it here. But good choice. It's really cool. And yeah, the gate itself is actually dated on the top 1862. Wow, that's awesome. All right, guys, so we're all done here. We really enjoyed our time today at the London Bridge here in Lake Havasu. We had a great lunch at the Blue Chair, something like that. A little pricey. It's a tourist area. It was how much, Sandy?
$55.39.
Yeah, it was $55 for. I had fish and chips. She had a vegan burger, and we had 2 Bloody Marys. The Bloody Marys were delicious. I definitely recommend going and get some Bloody Marys there. But that's going to do it for the video today, man. We really appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.